Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
I am Troye. Actually, everybody should follow a daily routine. I also have a daily routine. I get up early in the morning. Then I go washroom and get fresh. Next, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have my breakfast. Next, taking a cup of tea, I complete my homework. I get ready for school at 9 a.m. I return home at 3 p.m. Next, I take my bath and take my lunch. In the afternoon, I go to my grandmother's home. Getting back home, I get fresh and take milk. Next, I go to my study room and start my study. Completing it, I enjoy television with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have suffered together. Next, I go to my bedroom and that's all.